This is the Montessori Screwdriver Board. This is a really cool wooden board with 9 different insert screws. I love how they all just fit in there. They're all the same size hole, so you don't have to worry about which one you're putting it in, but it's just very nice for kids to play with. There's so many different tops to them, so many different designs. I love this screwdriver. The screwdriver is double-sided. It's really cool. Also comes with a wrench and a hex key. Really cool. Love that they fit right in there. So whether you're home, traveling in your car, or just playing outdoors, this would be a great toy for your kids to play with. I know my kids always love helping me when I'm building projects, and this would be one great way to entertain them and give them a purpose and something to do while you're working outside. I also love how it has these holes in here, so you can put your screws in there, collect them, that way they don't get lost as you're taking them out and then putting them back together. This is a really cool Montessori screwdriver board. My kids love to play with it. They're very entertained by it. I highly recommend. Thanks for watching.